Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create a glass button something like this by just using HTML and CSS. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. By the end of the video we will be seeing how to create such button on your website. So this will be adding you an additional feature to your button. So by hovering onto the button you can just see this effect. So we'll just see how we can do that by just using HTML and CSS. And now scrolling down, so here is my HTML code and this is my CSS code. So here in the HTML I'm just giving the head tags and the title to this and whatever it is, like I'm just creating a button in the button tag with the name of button. So with the text as button which we have just created here, I can just remove this and I can give another text whichever I want, because you can use it for your website. Let's say that for me I just want it to be something like subscribe. So let's say that this should be my text, and here you can see that this is how this button looks like now. And then here we have the CSS code where the main part is, because like this is a CSS button, so everything that we are doing, all this transition and all which is on hovering, so these are all done by using the CSS. Here we are using this body, like whatever adjustments and all you can just get it from the code which is in the description. Here in the button, like we are just giving its position, its width, its height, and I'm giving the background to be transparent, because like I just want it to look like this. So you can just see that this is transparent. You can even choose it accordingly, but the glass effect is possible with the transparent one. So to make sure we get the glass effect, we are using the background as transparent and the border colors and all. And after, so you can, here we have this to be something like a bluish color, so you can even change the color by going here and then changing the RGBA values. So and once you are done with this, you can just see that button before. So this is something how the button is before hovering onto it and after hovering onto it. So these are the things that you need to set in your CSS code. And so here we have the button hover after, and here we have other things like the box shadow and the span before, span after. So if you want to know more about this, what is span, what are these tags, like we have a button tag and we have background color and we have many more things. Like if you find these all things new, and also if you are very interested in knowing like what these all things are about, instead of like, you can just get this code in the description and you can just use it for your website. But if you just want to learn how these things work internally from the basic, you can just go to the links that are in the description, where there is a full course on HTML and CSS which is completely free on the PC Tips Pro YouTube channel. So once you have done all this code pasting and all, now we are entirely done with this, and now we can just hover onto this and see this glass effect. You can change the text, color, and there are other aspects, like this would be giving us the perfect glass button. This is something that I have executed on a code pen, but if you are doing it locally on your computer, you can just include this in your CSS file, and this should be in your .html file. And this is all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.